In this video, I'm going to reveal a multi-billion-dollar niche that is guaranteed to make you money. In this niche, in fact, there are channels of all sizes that are getting tens of thousands of views per day. And the best part about this is you can do it 100% faceless. In addition, this niche offers multiple revenue streams, and I'll show you all of it if you stay until the end of this video. This video is going to consist of 4 parts. Part number 1 is an overview of the niche. Part number 2 are examples of YouTube channels of all sizes that are getting thousands of views and making money. Part number 3 is a step-by-step guide for you to get started right away. And part number 4 are different revenue streams that can put money into your pocket. Hi, my name's Alston Godbolt, and I create YouTube videos to show you how you could start a successful YouTube channel that includes multiple revenue streams. Now, I've been making money on the internet for close to 10 years, so I know exactly what it takes to start a successful business online. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. So let's go ahead and get into part number 1, which is an overview of the niche. So quick question for you. What is the number one thing that Americans love to do? If you said eat, you'd be wrong. The number one thing Americans love to do is to spend money. And when is the most money spent in America? During the holiday season. More specifically, during Black Friday. Black Friday is the time of year where companies finally enter the black or start becoming profitable because consumers spend tons of money buying stuff that they may or may not need. Now you might be asking, that's great, Alston, but how do I actually make money from it? Well, it's actually really simple. You could make very good money simply sharing the best Black Friday deals. So basically what you would do is you would create YouTube videos, and I'll show you exactly the types of videos to create in just a moment, that people are already searching for. They'll click on your affiliate links, which I'll explain in just a moment, and you'll make money in a variety of ways. Let's go ahead and get into part number 2, where I show you examples of YouTube channels that are already doing this. Now, as I mentioned, with this opportunity, you don't have to show your face. You can be a relatively small channel, and you can start getting likes, comments, shares, and make money 24 hours a day. For example, if we look at this channel right here, it's called Buyer's Favorites. They only have 6,000 subscribers, 46 videos, but if we look at their most viewed videos, you'll see that they are getting thousands of views. Okay, if we look at their latest one, you can see Target Black Friday, 71 views in just 4 hours, 11,000 views from Best Buy Black Friday from just 2 days ago. Again, 6,000 subscribers, 11,000 views, 14,000 views, all about Black Friday. Now you might be thinking that's a one-off, but let's look at the Blacker Friday. They only have 1,000 subscribers, but if we look, 6 hours ago, 111 views, 1 day ago, 808 views, 1 day ago, 1,100 views, 5 days ago, 3,000 views, all creating content about Black Friday. So this should be your sign that this is something that literally anybody can do. And to give you one more example, this account here, this channel here, only has 5,000 subscribers. Their video that they uploaded 2 days ago generated 2.5 thousand views. And the best part about this niche is that the people that are watching these videos, they are motivated to buy. They are in the buying mind frame, which is usually the hardest part about making money, is to get people to want to buy, get people in the buying mind frame. So as you can see here, there is at least 3 tiny channels. All of these channels have less than 7,000 subscribers, but they are getting views, they're getting clicks, and they're making money in a variety of ways. Now that you see that channels of any size can do this, let's go ahead and talk about how you could get started. Now, essentially, this is a 5-step process. Step number 1, obviously, you're going to create a YouTube channel if you don't already have one. I'm not going to spend time showing you how to create a YouTube channel. There are tons of videos out there that'll show you how to do it step by step, but this is actually really easy and it should take you less than 10 minutes. Step number 2, you are going to find keywords. Now there's 2 ways to do this. You can use a paid keyword research tool like Ahrefs, or you can use what's called the alphabet soup method. So if we take a look back at my computer, I'm simply going to go to the search bar and I'm going to type in Black Friday. And as you can see on the screen, there are all sorts of keywords that have Black Friday Target, Black Friday deals, Black Friday 2024, Black Friday shopping. But what we're going to do is actually something a little bit different. We're going to put an underscore and then a space. Okay, and then what we can do here is we can type in each letter of the alphabet, so Q. Okay, so we can see that there might be a company or business with regards to Black Friday. W, you can see Walmart Black Friday, and this would be a video that we'd want to create. because a lot of people are searching for the best deals for Black Friday. And we can even add 2024. And as I mentioned, this is an evergreen niche because every year there's new deals. Every year there's going to be new buyers. And so essentially you could create videos just regarding Black Friday and the current year. So as you can see, Black Friday, let's try that again. We're going to do Q, W, Walmart Black Friday 2024, E, or another way that you could do this, a very simple way to make it much easier, is you could just have ChatGPT list all of the largest businesses in the world, all of the largest big box stores like Walmart, Target, Best Buy, and you would have a list of opportunities that you could create content. But as you can see here, Amazon Black Friday, Walmart, Home Depot, PS5, Harbor Freight, you could probably cycle between 20 or 30 different companies and you could get potentially thousands of views. Once you find companies to work with or partner with, you have to do a little bit of research to find out the best deals. So let's say we wanted to create a video about Walmart Black Friday. We're simply going to type in Walmart Black Friday like this, and we're going to do a little bit of research. Believe it or not, Walmart wants us to know about their Black Friday deals. And so we simply would click on this and we could make multiple videos. In fact, we could make the best tech Walmart Black Friday deals, the best home Walmart Black Friday deals, and go on and on and on. And we simply would just report all of the different deals. Now, the cool thing, as I mentioned, is that you can do this 100% faceless. You can take screenshots of the different deals that they have. You can use B-roll from websites like Storyblocks or Pexels or Unsplash, and that's going to help you put the content together. The only thing you would need to do is add in a voiceover where you're revealing the Black Friday deal, how much they would save. Essentially, you would just be reading the ad or advertisement, and you would be sharing this information. Now, the next step, which is really, really important, is to apply to become an affiliate. Yes, all of these companies have affiliate programs, Walmart, Best Buy, Target. And to do that, you simply would go up to the search bar once again, and you're going to type in the company that you want to work with. For example, we're going to type in Walmart affiliate program, and then you're going to follow the directions to apply to join this affiliate program. Now, some of these will have instant approvals. Some of these you'll have to wait to hear back. But even if you have to submit an application and wait to hear back, still create the videos. It's really important to create the videos so that you can start getting the views. And again, if you want to create the videos without showing your face, you can use Storyblocks, Unsplash. You can simply just Google royalty-free videos that you could potentially use. If you want to show up on camera and use your face, which is something I certainly recommend, you don't have to spend money on expensive equipment. So you can use a webcam if you've got one lying around. You can actually use your smartphone to get up and running. This is definitely something that you want to take advantage of and turn into a real business. Now that we've covered how you can get started, let's talk about all of the different revenue streams that you could build just from this one niche and this one opportunity. Now, the obvious one, which I already covered, is affiliate marketing. And with affiliate marketing, you are simply recommending or selling other people's products and services. Once you apply to the affiliate program, for example, the Walmart affiliate program, and when you get approved, you're going to get a unique URL called an affiliate link, and you're going to put the affiliate link in the description of your videos. Let me show you an example. If we click on this video right here, we scroll down and we look in the description, all of these links here are an affiliate link. And so if I were to click on one of these links and purchase the product that he is recommending or talking about, the original creator of the video earns a commission. So they get a portion of the overall sale. Now, what's really cool is with a lot of these platforms, for example, Target and Amazon, you actually get a commission on everything that's in the cart. What that means is, let's say I click on this link to buy a 65-inch TV. And then I want to buy an HDMI cable, I want to buy a sound bar, and then maybe I'm feeling generous and I throw on a PS5 or a PlayStation 5. The original content creator could earn a portion of that entire cart. So that cart could come out to being $1,500, and let's say they get 10% of that, that's actually $150 just on one cart. So you can see how this starts to add up and start to stack up if you are consistent and persistent. Now, again, this video here has 2,000 views. And if you just had, again, 10% of the people that see this video click on the links and purchase something, you could make a decent daily living in a relatively short amount of time. Affiliate marketing obviously is the easy one, but there are a few other ones as well. Another way that you can make money is with the YouTube Partner Program. Now, YouTube Partner Program has different levels, and the one that I'm talking about is the level that will pay you for the ads that show up in the beginning, middle, and end of the video. Now, as you can see here, this person is probably monetized because they have an ad on this video. In order to be a part of this level of the YouTube Partner Program, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the last 12 months on a rolling basis. And so once you have that, you can place ads in the beginning, middle, and end of your videos and then get a commission. Another way that you can make money, and I don't think anyone is talking about this, is actually with creating digital products. There are several digital products that you could create and sell to this viewer base and make even more money. For example, you could actually create a comprehensive Black Friday deal guide and sell it for $7 or $17. Another thing that you could create and sell are deal tracking templates. Again, you could sell this between $7 and $27. And the cool thing with the templates is it helps people solve a very specific problem. In addition to affiliate marketing, the YouTube Partner Program, digital products, you could also have a monthly membership where you get paid a reoccurring payment as long as the subscribers remain a subscriber. There are several options here as well, but I think the top two are a VIP community where you share exclusive deals, maybe that aren't offered anywhere else. You could potentially partner with some of these companies and offer different deals and discounts. You could also do a weekly paid newsletter where you actually send out an email with the newest, latest deals and opportunities. Or what you could do is you could actually create a course where you teach people how to save money for the holiday season. That would be a really cool short-term course that you put together, and you could sell that for $49. But I think this is a really cool opportunity for, I would say, most people. The cool thing with Black Friday is that it is a global opportunity. It is a global niche. And so even if you live in Australia, this is an opportunity that you could take advantage of. Now that you know about this hidden opportunity that anybody could be a part of, watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.